Problem 6. Prove that for 3 less than or equals to r less than or equals to n minus 3 cr plus 3 into n minus 3 cr minus 1 plus 3 into n minus 3 cr minus 2 plus n minus 3 cr minus 3 equals to ncr. Okay, we know the formula ncr plus ncr minus 1. What is the formula ncr plus ncr minus 1? N plus 1 cr. Remember this formula. Okay, now see LHS part. LHS n minus 3 cr plus 3 into n minus 3 cr minus 1 plus 3 into n minus 3 cr minus 2 plus n minus 3 cr minus 3. Okay, see n minus 3 cr. So 3 into n minus 3 cr minus 1 split into two parts. So n minus 3 cr minus 1 plus 2 into n minus 3 cr minus 1. So n minus 3 cr minus 1, 2 into n minus 3 cr minus 1. So 1 plus 2, 3. Okay. Plus this one, third term. So can be divided into 2 into n minus 3 cr minus 2 plus n minus 3 cr minus 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Still what is the balance? n minus 3 cr minus 3. Okay. Now keep brackets for these two terms, next to two terms, next to two terms. Okay. See this formula. See, consider this one as ncr plus ncr minus 1. See, ncr plus ncr minus 1. What is the formula? N plus 1 cr. So here n is n minus 3. So n plus 1 cr directly. Okay. In these terms, 2 is the common. n minus 3 cr minus 1 plus n minus 3 cr minus 2 plus c. ncr, see, ncr plus ncr minus 1. R minus 2 minus 1 is r minus 3. So same concept, n plus 1 cr. Here n is n minus 3, n plus 1, n plus 1, cr is r minus 2. Next. So n minus 3 plus 2 is minus 2. cr plus 2 into c. ncr. N, this is ncr plus ncr minus 1. So r minus 1 minus 1 is r minus 2. So ncr plus ncr minus 1. What is the formula? N plus 1 cr. N plus 1 c. Here r is r minus 1 plus n minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. C r minus 2. Okay. That equals to n minus 2 cr plus 2 into n minus 3 plus 1 n minus 2 cr minus 1 plus n minus 2 cr minus 2. That equals to n minus 2 cr plus c. 2 into n minus 2 cr minus 1 converted into n minus 2 cr minus 1 plus n minus 2 cr minus 1. So n minus 2 cr minus 1, n minus 2 cr minus 1 equals to 2 into n minus 2 cr minus 1 plus n minus 2 cr minus 2. Now keep brackets from the first two terms and the next two terms. See. Now see n cr plus n cr minus 1. Same formula. N plus 1 cr. N plus 1 cr plus here also ncr plus ncr minus 1. Okay, r minus 1 minus 1, r minus 2. So n minus 2 plus 1 C R minus 1. So n minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 CR plus here also n minus 2 plus 1. So n minus 1 CR minus 1. See NCR plus NCR minus 1. So n plus 1 CR. N plus 1 CR. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So n CR which equals to RHS.